Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the echo and also the print. Make sure we always show the output to our user, or while working on any kind of project, we always use the echo. So how can you use the echo? What is the difference between echo and also the print? Make sure while debugging the PHP script, we always use the word. But for now, we're gonna discuss about the echo and also the print. So let's get started. Okay guys, now it's time to discuss about the echo. You know very well we normally use the echo to show you the output or the print the output. Let's suppose if you are saying echo working, that means you are saying to the system that show me the output. Okay, now if we talk about the print and you are saying working, or in simple words, if I say ABC equals to 10 and you are going to echo this one, it's a 10. If you use the print and pass the argument, it's also say 10. So the only difference is you have to use the echo because it's faster than the print, first of all, and echo never return the value, while print always return a value. So you can use that particular value, which is a 1, in your expressions. Also, you can use the echo with different parameters, like first of all, wait a few seconds. If you say echo, you can also use with the braces or without the braces. But let's suppose if you are saying print and you are saying ABC, then what happens? It's also executing. If you have two values like ABCD and you are saying 20 and you are saying that echo ABC, comma ABCD, then what happens? It's showing you the output. But if you are using the print, go to the page, refresh the page, it will give you that. So you can use multiple or you can pass multiple parameter by using the echo, but you can not pass the multiple parameters while using the print. We also have the word. Let's suppose if you are using the print never give you the data type. If you're using the vardum and we are saying ABCD, so vardum always give you the data type of the variables and also the actual value of the variable which is stored in your variable. So as you can see, ABCD, you store the 20 in your ABCD value and the data type is integer. So that's why it's showing you int. Let's suppose if you use the dot to, it's a float value. That's why the vardum is saying float value. We normally use the vardum while debugging. We mostly use the vardum while working on the real-time projects. Okay guys, so in this way you can manage or you can show the output by using the echo and also the print. So I hope guys you are enjoying our video. So thank you for